What is going on, YouTube? I'm coming at you guys with another video. I know it's been a long time since I've stood in front of this camera, and trust me, I'm just about as nervous and uncomfortable as you guys are standing behind this screen watching me. But today, we're doing something really exciting. So I have been given the special privilege to get on this ferry flight on a plane that's literally never been flown before, from Atlanta, Georgia to Detroit. It's never carried any passengers, it's never done a paid flight before. And I'm gonna have the opportunity to check out the entire plane, and it's gonna just be a handful of us on this flight. And I'm looking forward to being able to take you guys along and being able to show you guys everything about it. And I'm super pumped about this. It's the Airbus A220, and it's gonna be great. So I don't wanna waste y'all's time. Let's get into it. So I made it to the airport in time for this flight, which is always a good thing, especially for me. It tends to be a little bit of a challenge sometimes. I can't wait. It's gonna be great. So I'm currently in the coolest bathroom in the sky, and there's the toilet right here. You got, standard toilet, and then it's a window. How cool is that? What's up, guys? So I'm back from my trip, and that was such an incredible opportunity. And going through this footage and editing, I felt the need to come on here and do a little one-on-one action between you and me here regarding this flight. I just wanted to say a couple comments. One, the overhead bin space was so large and so nice. I don't think they're gonna fill up overhead bins on a lot of these flights because of the space that they have. Number two, the first class bulkhead seats, so seat 1, just doesn't have as much legroom as I thought. And as you can see in this video, the seat 2 with even under seat stow had so much more room than seat 1. Like, it's pretty noticeable. As well as, I don't know that you guys know, but the first class seats are literally premium select seats that are rebranded. The window on the bathroom was incredible, and the big game changer I think this plane's gonna have on the planes that it's replacing, which is the MD-88, MD-90, and the 717, are the power outlets in economy, which is huge, because I know for me personally, there's been multiple flights that I've jumped on to get on an earlier flight, and I just end up thrown in the back, and I don't have a phone portable charger, which I have one and I travel with it sometimes, but I'm irresponsible sometimes and I forget it. But when you get on this plane, you can charge your phone, versus I'm pretty much screwed when I get on the flight and I'm stuck in the back and there's no place for me to plug in my phone. I gotta like look out the window or something like that. Look up my phone. Who even does that? So shout out to Delta and Airbus for creating this plane to solve all of our problems. And please, Delta, if anyone's watching this that knows anyone in corporate at Delta, tell them to hurry up, because I want this plane in Atlanta, and I want this plane flying a lot of the domestic Atlanta routes, because it's incredible. And I hope all of you guys get the opportunity to fly on this plane, and I thank you guys so much for tuning into my video, and subscribe if you want to see more content, because I promise I will be posting more. And I know I say that a lot, but I'm going to be posting more. And yeah, peace for now, y'all. Take care.